welcome to my channel. I am Angel Renee, coming to you from Angel Renee Studio, or my house, or whatever. Anyways, I'm coming to you today because I want to talk to you a little bit about some great foundations that we can start using, okay, that does not hold a lot of chemicals and things like that in it. So I'm excited to share this news with you guys because I have been working on this for about, oh my goodness, like 2 weeks. Like, no lie, like 2 weeks I've been working on this for you guys. Trying to get the right information for you regarding these foundations for us, because I mean, it helped me a whole lot seeing some of the information that I've seen and a lot of the foundations that we use on a regular basis that are not healthy for the inside nor the outside of our skin, okay? So if you check out my last video, I actually talked about just a little bit about like how this is like the largest organ. Like, we have to take care of this, right? So it is truly important for us to put the right type of things on our skin, okay? So we're not going to get into, you know, all of that part, but like I said, check out my last video for a little bit about some of the chemicals that they decide to use in a lot of these products. They decide to use a lot of these products and perfumes that we buy every day that we spend hundreds of dollars for, okay? So anywho, I combined a list of vegan and natural foundations for us to start using, to start trying. And once you start trying these and using them, make sure you comment below. Shoot me an email. Let me know what you think about the product and how did it work for your skin type, okay? So a lot of these are honestly for all skin types, okay? So I tried to look for that type of thing so it kind of be easy for us, right? So we have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin types, okay? 4. And so the first one I want to name, it's called Beauty Bakery, okay? Beauty Bakery. She has a foundation that is a matte foundation, demi matte, and it's for all skin types, and it's called #1 Cake Mix. So all of her products are like almost like a bakery, like a cupcake shop. So I think it like smells good and all that. I don't know about taste, okay? I don't want you sitting up eating your foundation, okay? Or finding out somebody has on Beauty Bakery's #1 Cake Mix foundation, you want to lick their face. No, don't do that, okay? Don't do that. It's foundation, okay? It's for the face, all right? It is silicone based. It is vegan, cruelty free, and she does add in vitamin E, so it is infused with vitamin E to help, you know, with hydration, moisturizing, and things like that for you. And I tend to move around in my videos, guys, so just don't mind me, okay? I do give the prices for each foundation. So her foundation is $28, which is not bad because you have to think about it. You know, you may think, oh, it's too much, you know, but honestly, the amount of money that we go out and pay for things that actually have chemicals in it, seriously, that, you know, go straight to our bloodstream and, you know, break out our face, or even some of them take our hair out. Like, I think $28 might just be worth it to get a vegan product that, if you look at some of the reviews, like the reviews on these products that I'm naming, like I made sure to get you 4 to 5 stars. So it's either going to be 4, which I don't even think any of them have 4, but I just remember for all of them 4.5, 5 stars, okay? So, and you know, I mean, I tried to get the best of the best for you guys, all right? So $28. And she does have a total of 30 shades. Again, this is from my research that I did. The next one I have is AJ Crimson. He has the Dual Skin Cream Foundation. It's beeswax base. paraben free, cruelty free, and it's for all skin types. All right, he has 12 shades available, and his price is 45 bucks. Okay, the next one is all natural. It's called zero gravity C2P foundation, and it's a weightless finish, and it goes from, let's see, it's a weightless finish, and it's 100% natural cream foundation that kind of turns into like a powder, more of like a matte once like you put the cream foundation on, but it turns like matte. Okay, and from the reviews with different skin types, they gave it 5 stars. 38 bucks, and for all natural they have 15 shades. All right, 15 different shades. The next one, it's Kehar Wise, and I think that's how you pronounce it, Kehar Wise, but the way you spell it is Kjaer, and then the last part of it is Weis. Okay, it's a cream foundation, a velvet smooth semi-matte finish. It's organic, non-harmful formulas used to make this foundation. No animal testing with this foundation. Some vegan, gluten-free, and it's 68 bucks, and it has 12 shades available for us. Okay, the next one that I have is called 100% Pure Hydrating Water Foundation, and it's plant-based, fruit pigmented. Well, actually, it's called 100% Pure Fruit Pigmented Healthy Foundation. Okay, so it's hydrating, plant-based, natural, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. All right, they actually had on there listed for normal and dry skin types. Okay, I'm the type of girl that I'll still try it regardless of what they're saying. It's good for normal and dry skin, but hey, whatever. I have combination skin, I would still try it. And it's a matte finish. Okay, and for this one it's 41 bucks, and they have 19 shades available for us. Okay, 19 shades. The next one is by Juice Beauty, and this one is a natural certified organic serum foundation. It's a flawless serum foundation, and for the color pigments they use phyto pigments. Okay, and all phyto is just basically telling you it's plant-based. Even if you see like phyto hair products, it's plant-based. They use plants instead of like chemicals to combine it. It's not chemical-based, it's plant-based. So that's good for us. And what else, my dear? So it has your skin looking flawless and everything, and it gives you a more youthful appearance. So that's good, right? It has 14 shades. Or no, wait a minute. Does this one have 14 shades, or am I looking at the other one? I'm sorry, this one has 11 shades. And it's at 44 bucks a bottle. Okay. The next one I have is called Gabriel Moisturizing Liquid Foundation, made with natural ingredients. It makes your skin look natural. It gives you a natural silky finish. And they also said that for this, I use a beauty blender with all of my foundations, honestly, that or a stippling brush, but mostly a beauty blender or one that acts as a beauty blender. Okay. It helps give a smoother finish for your foundation. So they said that this is used very well with a beauty blender. Okay, just FYI. It's natural, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free as well. And it's for all skin types. And they have a total of 14 shades available for you. And you can find these in your local Target. This one specifically. Now, the other ones, you will have to either look online, because those are more like high-end items. All the other ones that I named before Gabriel, okay? So all the other ones were more high-end brands that you can look up online and order. Or you can go into like Nordstrom, Macy's, things like that, okay? Or again, online, which would probably be your best bet for some of these. Let's see. So like I said, for Gabriel, they are sold in some Targets and also online. All right, our next one is called Ear Perez Cosmetics. They have a quinoa water foundation. It's water-based, vegan foundation. The quinoa holds an anti-aging and antioxidant properties, so that's why they use that. It also helps to rejuvenate your skin, hydrate it, and things like that. They also have powders as well that don't clog your pores, so that's a good thing. So there's other foundations that this brand carries, but for this one in particular, they have only 3 shades available for us. So everybody won't be able to use Ear Perez, but I did want to make it known that they are, you know, a vegan friendly foundation, okay? Because some people might be able to still get away with using one of the 3 shades, or you may have to mix them, right? They also provide another foundation, Ear Perez. It's a hydrating, long-lasting, flawless finish, and it's it gives the hydrating, long-lasting, flawless finish, and it's a milk foundation, an oat milk foundation, and that one has 6 shades, okay, and that one's available for $44, and then the quinoa water foundation is available for $40. All right. The next one we have is the Lavera Natural Liquid Foundation. It's for all skin types. It's a natural hydrating formula. It says that it blends easily, smooth finish, lasting nearly 10 hours, it says, okay? And it's pretty lightweight, okay? So it doesn't like feel all heavy on your skin and all that kind of jazz. No preservatives, no animal testing. Again, it gives you all natural finish, and it's a vegan liquid foundation. All right. And did I get in this one? That's right. For this one, the Lavera Natural Liquid Foundation gives you 51 different shades to choose from. 51. And it's vegan. Okay. So that is one that we definitely have to try. Now, this one you might have to go online. Okay. Lavera is the name of the liquid foundation that I'm speaking of, okay? Let me fix myself. I was getting all comfortable on y'all. I'm like, yeah, so come chill with me or whatever. Okay, fix myself. Get myself together. Okay? Anyways, this here today, though, y'all, I'm trying to get it together over here. I'm just saying. Okay. Anywho, so it has 51 shades. Great for all skin types. It also has a wrinkle fighter in it, and it's called Squalane. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it has a wrinkle fighter in it. Okay, keeping you looking youthful. That's all I'm saying. All right. It says that it also is formulated to control oil and dryness at the same time. Got that? And that one is, you ready for the price? $13.80. Y'all welcome. Y'all welcome. Y'all welcome. So, anywho, that is the end of Angel Renee on today. And again, I just want to share those vegan and natural foundations with you so that we can start changing up some of our habits, you know, things that we're used to doing. See my baby crawling. She's like, let me not get in mommy's video. That's right. Keep going. No, just anyways, but I want us to kind of change up our routine and just kind of slide into doing things a little bit better each and every day with, you know, different things when it comes to different cosmetic products or eating habits. You know, I just want to share the information that I get, that I'm changing up for myself, and because I know that it's helping me, I know it'll help you guys. Okay, so again, when you start using these products, please comment below and let me know what you think. And matter of fact, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because guess who loves you? I do. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace.